Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange rewards MLS Daily Upgrade Exchange in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So there is quest in MLS. You can tap the quest and tap the MLS quest. Try to search this daily upgrade. So you can complete this daily upgrade by complete MLS daily upgrade exchange 10 times. So currently I already did one time. The main reward of this quest or task is one ultra pack. So let's tap go and directly jump into MLS daily upgrade exchange. So exchange limit once per day. Guarantee reward 1 mixed version player and 2 mixed version player of 75 plus OVR. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. Let's get back. So you need 1 MLS token to open this exchange MLS daily upgrade. So you can earn this token from the heroes. Let's get back to the hero MLS kickoff. You can play this a daily challenge every day. You can earn 2 MLS token and then 2 so total 6. And if you watch the ads, you can get 1 MLS token, but you can watch 3 times. It means 3 MLS token you have to collect from this daily exchange, and you can do exchange in MLS daily upgrade by only 1 token. Let's tap exchange button, tap to open, and we got 1 player here and refill all. So we got 3 players total from the MLS daily upgrade exchange. So you can try again tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click text button below. Enjoy the game.